Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Sioux City, local and long distance movers near me. Long distance moving can be costly and stressful as you discover what each company has to offer. Fortunately, 3 Movers offers affordable long distance services with no hidden fee or charges. At 3 Movers, we believe in making your move as easy as possible from start to finish. Our long distance movers specialize in packing and moving household goods for individuals and businesses, both domestically and internationally. Let us help you pack up your home or business effectively with our top quality materials, expertise, customized packing materials, and considerate staff members who care about the task at hand. Local movers are those who will pick up your belongings and take them from one house to another, and the distance between the 2 locations should not exceed a few miles. 3 Movers will help you protect your belongings from damage during transit. The team's extensive experience ensures that every piece of furniture is carefully wrapped in protective materials, secured with straps, and packed in boxes without damaging them. All that is done to minimize damage during transit. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Sioux City moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial, international, furniture, residential, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.